Hi there, it's Joshua, the Classic Competition Company, and with another very exciting prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1973 Yamaha SS50, also known as the FS1-E. This is the first year that they came into the UK in 1973, and this one can be won on our website for just £1.99. You'll also get £1,000 with this bike, and this will be drawn on the 28th of June, which is a Sunday at 10 PM. So yeah, like I said, this is the first year in the iconic candy gold colour scheme. This is when they called them the SS, and then later models were called the FS1-E. So one of the most iconic bikes you could have bought in the 70s. And this particular example is a UK example from new. Matching numbers, all restored condition, as new condition as you can see. Paintwork's fantastic. It starts up and runs really well, which I'll do now for you. So got ignition key on this side, just flick it around. Got a fuel tap here which is on. There's a choke here. We did start about an hour ago, so it shouldn't be too hard to start. A very low compression obviously. There we are, just a little kick. Really nice smooth engine. It's a nice revvy little thing as well. So there we are, really nice crisp motor. This was in a collection for a number of years until we bought it off the chap. We recommissioned it, ready for you guys to win. So if you fancy a ticket, like I said, it's 28th of June, and tickets are £1.99. It's at classiccompetitioncompany.com. If you do buy a ticket, thank you for your support as always, and good luck.